Hello guys, I've got a little unboxing for you. It's for a lawnmower. It's usually not the sort of thing I normally open up or review. Obviously I'll do a review on it at some point so you guys can find out my experiences of using the lawnmower in my little garden. But for the time being, this is just an unboxing. Thanks for watching. As with everything that comes from Amazon, they do over package it. So let's get the item out. And there you go. So this is Flymo basically. It's the Turbo Lite 330. It's basically a small lawnmower for my little garden that I've got. If you've seen any of my videos where I was building a patio for my little garden, this is for the bit of lawn I laid down basically. So let's open it. Hopefully you guys can see it in the shot. Right, so what have we got in the box? Let's have a look. So, what do we get? I'm going to open this up a little bit. Basically, you can get this off Amazon for £65. And in this bag, you get Flymo instructions and registration documentation. Hopefully you can see that. And obviously you get a manual detailing how you use it basically. In this bag, basically a leaflet all about the parts that you can buy for it. So if anything breaks, hopefully you can replace it. You get a plastic locking spanner, I guess. So obviously if you need a new blade, you can just use that to attach it. And you get a few bits and bobs, plastic bits. So that's what you get in the bag, everything you need probably. Let's have a look at what the Flymo thing, if we can get out of the box somehow. It is definitely in the box, difficult to get out. They don't make these things easy. Right, obviously it needs assembling. Obviously. Let's just get the thing out of the box. It takes some doing getting it out of the box, doesn't it? Let's get rid of this box. Bloody in the way. Right. So let's move this back so you guys can see it. So obviously it's a handle of some description, and obviously you need to attach it. No doubt the instructions will help with that. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on the Flymo Turbo Lite 3300. Obviously we know these are handles, so we don't really need to assemble it in the video anyway. Let's just have a look on the underneath, because this is probably what people are interested in. So the wheel that turns the blade is plastic. The blade itself is metal. You can get some of these that have got plastic blades. I'd probably avoid that. If you want something that's going to cut your grass, you want it to be metal, basically. In terms of sharpness, it doesn't seem very sharp. And it is covered in like a paint material, probably to help prevent rust, but I would have thought it would be sharp. Just seem a little bit on the blunt side. Maybe that will change over time. But essentially how these Flymos work is they generate air. So the top part pulls air in, and then there's vents under the wheel or under here that basically push air out, basically. And it's the air that basically lifts this up off the ground, a bit like a hovercraft, and it makes it easy to manoeuvre and move around. And that's the Flymo Turbo Lite 3300 lawnmower. I hope this unboxing was a little bit educational. Obviously you do need to assemble the handle a little bit if you're interested. Obviously you've got like a safety switch here to turn it on and off. There's some sort of press button there that probably turns it on, and then you do that to get it going, and you let go to stop it. You get a decent 10 metre length cord with it, and then obviously figure out how to assemble the handle onto the actual lawnmower. But this is the unboxing. Hope you found it educational on what it's like when it comes in the box. And thanks for watching.